Good morning, children. Subject History, Lesson number 2, India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Let's continue the lesson. Our next point is Mughal power. In 1526 CE, the Sultanate of Delhi came to an end. Mughal power was established there. Babur. Babur was the founder of Mughal power. He was the king of Fargana in Central Asia in today's Uzbekistan. He had heard of the wealth in India, so he planned an invasion of India. The reigning Sultan of Delhi at that time was Ibrahim Lodi. Daulat Khan Lodi was the governor of Punjab under the Sultanate. The relationship between Ibrahim Lodi and Daulat Khan Lodi was strained. Daulat Khan Lodi invited Babur to march on India. Taking this opportunity, Babur invaded India. To repel Babur's invasion, Ibrahim Lodi started with his army. There was a battle between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur on 21st April 1526 at Panipat. In this battle, Babur made use of an artillery effectively for the first time in India. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi's army. This is known as the First Battle of Panipat. After the Battle of Panipat, Rana Sanga of Mewar brought all Rajput kings together. There was a battle between Babur and Rana Sanga at Khanua. Babur's artillery and reserved force played a key role in this battle and Rana Sanga's army was defeated. Babur died in 1530 CE. Akbar was the most powerful king of the Mughal dynasty. When he tried to bring India under his central authority, he had to face oppositions. Maharana Pratap, Chand Bibi, Rani Durgavati struggled against him. Their struggle is noteworthy.